Alright guys, welcome to the premiere. We're gonna be playing Piggy Battles. I noticed this earlier, and I already have the badge as well. You can see Piggy RB Battles. Just that, I haven't played it in a premiere or a video, so we are doing this. Nobody has it. Okay, gun. Somebody has. We need a wrench. Alright, they do. How does he keep on getting me through the fence? Listen. Camera sensitive. I am Santa. Hopefully we can get to 10 subscribers because I'm doing this 10 subscriber special in a few days. As now we have 8 subscribers. I don't even know which way I'm supposed to. In order. Now, escaping is not the main part. Escape first. You need to escape. Somebody escaped. So you need to escape first. Tags. No. Oh, dude! Oh my god! Dude, this guy's so slow. Use it! Dude! I'm not using it. Okay. Yes, he did get the coin. Now use this. Okay, yes. You got the coin, but use it. Oh my fuck. Dude, you're so dumb. That was a nice trick right there. Alright, I'm gonna trick this girl. Wait! She absolutely. What did she just do? Oh my god. Okay, yes, he got it. So. He's coming over with the. Key. I'm gonna need Sarah. I'm gonna check if there's anything here because I checked. Dinky dang. Okay, hold on. I can glitch those purple. I'm not being me. They got it. They got it. Hold on. Her dead body's just lying there. Completely. I'm gonna get the wrench. And her, I'm gonna be like, what? Do you glitch into there or something? Get it. I know how to get the purple serum. What the heck, DJ? And this is completely not close. Now, how am I gonna? Okay, hold on. I can go through that wall. No, don't do that to me. Never. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Get out. Get out. Hold on. Is it he? Yeah. Yeah, dude. Okay, hold on. Now I'm here. I glitched and we can go through that. Okay, that's the decision. We need to make it. No. Okay, that will activate. Need it. Just decimated me. Right, there's one in Russ's area. One in DJ's and Russ's. And which there. Close this door. Go see. Okay, there's the other battery over there. Got me through the air, dude. You got me through the air. I'm just use the one in Russell's area. It is but Russ. Can't do it. Come on, Russell, what are you doing? Everything you do. Terrible gaming, I hate them. From now on, I hate Terrible. You understand me, Terrible. Russell, stop changing your direction or whatever. Decimated. A guy with 0. Hold on. Russell's blocking the easy. The escape's gonna be open right now. Right now, the escape's gonna be open. Should have done this as first. The final one got opened. I don't even know if I'm gonna. Okay, hold on. I don't know how much I have. Okay, hold on. Alright, dude. Okay. DJ, please don't kill me, TJ. DJ. Okay, hold on. Make it up. Make it up. Hold on. Okay, yes. I am totally secure for it. Yes, I did it. I won. I won. Food. Come on, do it. Okay, got it. Okay, I'm gonna definitely get decimated. What? He just decimates me. Oh, I can't reach it. Hold on. Let's do this thing. Okay. Is that the key? I don't need that. Just need pink serum. I can't spunk. Hold on. Am I gonna risk it for the green key? Risk it, but don't risk it for the biscuit. I'll say, we would all say, we would all say, oh yeah. Glitch into the turtle. And then, of course, it's this one. Okay, good one. Second there. I couldn't. I just figured out an easier way to just get into the cars. Alright, we'll explore beyond. Okay, then the map Pearson's here. I'm not really master. Okay, well, is this a stage? Because the floor seems really sure. Alright, I think they got the green serum, so I'm gonna go and check. Hold on. Hold on, what? Oh my god. Oh, I'm terribly They thought they were jumping around. The one in Russ's area, and then I can unlock. First, I'm gonna unlock the one in should have done Sabrina there, and this. Okay, just because I want to get a. Further start. Bonked. Run, dude. Ooh, I need to unlock the one. The one. In his room. Yo. Okay. I know he won. I know someone's gonna win. I know someone's gonna escape. But, okay, Russell, stop it. Okay, let me escape. Let me escape. Because I just want to escape, that's all. That's all I want to do. Okay, only 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Why am I even bothering? Escape. Go. Go. You saw plays with fan has won with 7 points. How did I win? 2 to 3 times I won. Peace. Alright, that's gonna be it for the premiere. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.